everyone, I am Agrini Sharma and you are watching the brand new TIT podcast series episode number 2, where you will get a chance to learn from the best. And today we have someone really special with us, the voice behind many inspiring shows, an RJ having more than 10 years of experience, and Doordarshan anchor and author, and most importantly, our soft skill and communication coach, Dr. Monica Singh. We are truly honored to have you here with us, ma'am, today.
Thank you so much, Agrini. And really, I'm very much excited to be the part of this podcast. This is the second episode of this podcast. And really, welcome this episode. And I think so all my students are here listening to this because this is something a dream come true because I was this awaited program. It's still, as you have already mentioned my introduction, that I have been into so many fields. Now, this is the third thing which is something feather on my cap. And getting excited to be a part of TIT and this Technocrat group has taken the initiative. That is something wonderful.
Thank you. Ma'am, before diving in, how does it feel to be back on the mic again, but this time with your students instead of the national audience?
Seriously, Agrini, that is something very much going to the memory lane. It's something very nostalgic. That time I used to speak to my listeners and now I'm just speaking to my learners. That is something great achievement for me.
Your journey is so inspiring, like from an RJ to a Doordarshan anchor, an author, now in the teaching field you're teaching us. Ma'am, how was your journey so far? How you started your career and something? Could you please tell us about that?
See, Agrini, it started with the love of voice and sound. And obviously we are having such flashlights that is something added me, something a star mark that I was in the Doordarshan. The best part is that I really want to connect, I really want to inspire and really that passes on. So I feel like that is something you love to speak, you love to inspire, you love to connect, and you really want to connect. You have to build that confidence in yourself. You have to trust yourself. That's the more important key.
That's true, ma'am. Ma'am, my next question is, if you could give one message to your younger RJ self, what message would it be?
A young RJ self. Okay. See, believe in yourself. Every voice is having a magic, and really you have to trust yourself. Whatever you speak, don't try to impress anyone. Try to convince, try to interact, and whatever you want to speak, try to speak with full confidence. That's the major thing.
Definitely, ma'am. Ma'am, from radio to television, now in the teaching field. Ma'am, tell us something about this drastic change, how you stepped into this teaching field career.
Agrini, it's something a beautiful evolution. See, performing and presenting and now passing it on. So whatever I have studied in my 10 years of career, being an RJ, being an All India Radio or being an compeer, I really understood what has been given, what the idea has been given to me, and how to make, how to modulate, and how to understand and make the people understand. That's more important. So I believe that people should trust themselves, and every person is special. They have their own voice, they have their own confidence. So just believe.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now you're helping students to enhance their communication skills and soft skills. Ma'am, could you please tell our students or the audience who are watching you, what is soft skills, ma'am?
Actually, people really get deviated with soft skills. See, communication skills is something different where you have to present yourself in a very skilled manner. Present yourself in the terms of words. When it comes to soft skills, it's something is personal and interpersonal abilities where you have to present yourself in your emotional balance. You have to understand and make people understand what is problem solving skills. You really have to understand how to interact, where to interact, and how to connect with the people. That is more of connection of words. That is soft skills.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, as you said that soft skills is something that individuals' interpersonal abilities. Ma'am, how can we link it with career growth?
Agrini, you just raised this question. Yes, that is very much important that soft skills really open the gateway. It is something a gateway. And I just want to put an instance here. I really met one of the brilliant coder and he was very good at his technical part. But the difficult part was and I realized that he was not able to express his idea to the team. And suddenly I realized that, see, communication is something a key to get the success, and they have to realize that communication is something that open up the door. This is something you people means every individual, every student, even not individual, but every person who is working in MNC or not working in MNC, even a grocery store also. A grocery man also understand when they sell something to the customer. They also have the communication etiquettes. So we have to understand the soft skills is something very important that should be engraved in our blood. Ki yes, we have to speak, we have to understand, we have to make the people understand. That should be very wisely, very in a sound manner. That is something a magic. It's something comes in your mind, and that is something on your tongue.
Ma'am, what are the 3 top communication traits that every student you believe that they should develop, not only for the interview but also for their daily life?
3 things. The very first thing is you have to be having more of confidence, clarity of words, and be the active listeners. Nowadays, the people are very much want to heard. They really, very few people are there who really understand. So that is the thing. You have to be very much active listener.
Ma'am, many students feel stage fear or mic fear nowadays, ma'am. So what's your golden tip for them to overcome from it?
See, I always tell my student that never ever be having the fear of facing the crowd. You speak confidently, because see, fear fades with the time when purpose meet. So you have to meet the purpose. You don't have to deviate yourself. You don't have to lose whatever you speak. Let it be Hindi also. See, we are sitting here for soft skills. Soft skills is something हम अपनी बात को कितने अच्छे से लोगों तक पहुंचाते हैं. तो communication is something a कौशल. And people maybe of Hindi background or English background, that is no difference in it. हमारी मातृभाषा है, पर उस हिंदी को भी हम बहुत तहजीब तमीज से अगर किसी के सामने रखते हैं, that is also very much important. So people have to understand that it is not about English language. It is about presenting yourself in the right way, in the right manner. So ye people have to get aware of. So it's a combination of both the things, your hard work and your smart communication. So you have to understand that what is hard work and how you smartly you are putting your communication.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, as you were talking about the soft skills, is it really important and is it really matters in the resume?
Agree, see, you just question yourself. What is resume meant for? Resume is your whole personality. It is something from top to bottom. It's just full of soft skills. Whether you are giving your technical skills, you are just showcasing your objectives, you are showcasing your hard skills. Everything is fully flown with your interpersonal skill, your adaptability, your leadership, your teamwork. Everything is flown. So here the recruiter or any one of the person really want to understand this person is really adaptable. The person is a good leader. Is he a good person who can collaborate with each other, or is he a person who can indulge himself in a good team? So every recruiter, every company needs to have a person who can put himself or herself in learning phase. So if they are growing, the company will grow. So when you open the door, that is your confidence. How you open the door, that is a confidence. See, everyone is having a degree. Everyone is having good degrees, be it be a technical or not tech person. But how you are utilizing your degree and how you are presenting yourself, that who you are, that's more important.
Ma'am, HR really look into the soft skill side?
Yes, it's something very much true. You are on the LinkedIn profile? Yes. So, according to the survey at the global report, means 92% of recruiters, HR, they look into the soft skills part, and that is very much true. They really want the person who have the capability of leading, growing, and making the people in outstanding. means how they can be an outstanding means the way you speak, the way you interact, the way you present yourself and presenting your ideas, that is more important. If you are not able to present your ideas, what is something in your hidden mind and you are not keeping it outside, that is something no use. So you have to present yourself, because that is something only your degree will be only a piece of paper if you are not presenting it in front of the recruiter, in front of the company, in front of the HR, whosoever. So you have to present yourself wisely. That is something
you have to be very clear with your
yes, you have to very much intellectual.
Yeah,
so that brain works. Because everyone is hardworking. Everyone.
True.
So that hard worker, but with smart communication. That's more important.
Yeah. Ma'am, how soft skills can help students who belong to the Hindi medium background?
मैं इसको हिंदी में ही बताती हूँ. आपने सुना ही होगा, करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान. पहली बात तो ये, जस्ट लीव द स्केरी नेचर एंड एटीट्यूड कि मुझे नहीं आता. हमें सब आता है. Think of yourself कि you when you were born, you were having no clothes on a body, you were born with bare body. उसके बाद हमने सीखा कि ये कपड़े होते हैं, and then trends start. तो जब हम वो सीख सकते हैं तो why are we just having that barrier of learning? English is not about कि वो हिंदी मीडियम है कि वो इंग्लिश मीडियम है. It's about इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले भी they fumble. If I am speaking to you somewhere, if this is not my mother tongue, we are connecting with each other. We are just exploring the world. We are exploring the language. Yes, English is same language, same as Hindi. Hindi तमीज़ तहजीब से ही बात की जाती है और बहुत बदतमीज़ी से भी की जाती है. तो हम किसे स्किल मानेंगे? हमारा कहना है, मेरा मानना ये है कि स्टूडेंट शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि आप इसको बैरियर मत रखिए कि हमें हिंदी आती है और हम इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. So it will be very difficult for me to face the interview. No, not at all. Just try to fix yourself कि yes, I can do it, I can learn. We don't have to be an Angrez. We have to understand the language. Think of this is the second language. अगर हमने, और वैसे भी किसी को भी, मेरे ख्याल से किसी भी स्टूडेंट को ये नहीं कहना चाहिए कि they belong to a Hindi background. From the starting beginning, from KG से ही वो एक सब्जेक्ट उनका इंग्लिश होता ही है. So इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट जब आपका है and that time you have studied whether it be general or special English, पढ़ा तो है ना आपने, तो आप इतना तो समझते हो कि what am I trying to convey you. If you can understand without saying yes and no, तो आप उसको try तो करें. Try to listen, try to hear the songs, try to read the books, at least try to read the newspaper. तो simple जो हम vocabulary use करते हैं. Even आपने देखा होगा कि whenever we move, even कुछ ट्रेलर्स आते हैं टीवी के, आप जब भी कोई मोबाइल पे कोई देखते हो तो कुछ भी ट्रेलर्स अगर आते हैं तो अगर वो इंग्लिश में भी आते हैं, यू शुड नो कि अच्छा इसका मतलब ये होता है. इवन अगर होर्डिंग भी है और अगर वो इंग्लिश में भी लिखा है तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा ये वर्ड है जो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, गूगल इट. Try to understand, try to ask the teacher, try to ask your friend. और हमारे पास तो एंड्रॉइड फोन है, they can just serve it. ढूंढ सकते हैं उसको, हर मीनिंग को. तो हर एक दिन आप एक नए 5 वर्ड्स अगर आप इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं अपने लाइफ में, इट विल बी अ गुड थिंग फॉर यू. And slowly and steady wins the race, surely. Or I really want to one example. I have one student. मतलब आज he is in a very good MNC. मतलब मैं यहाँ पर तो नहीं उसका नाम बोलूँगी, but still he used to stammer. उसका लैंग्वेज बैरियर था, बट उसने उसको बैरियर नहीं माना. उसने अपने आप को इतना स्किल्ड किया टेक्निकल साइड पे, उसका आज इतना अच्छा उसका पैकेज है एंड द कंपनी इज सो प्राउड कि उन्होंने एक अच्छे बंदे को हायर किया है. तो आई रियली वांट माय पीपल, माय स्टूडेंट टेक्नोक्रेट्स, प्लीज बकल अप योरसेल्फ, डू हार्ड वर्क. Communication cannot stop you, but yes, you have to be good at your soft skills part also. Be presentable, be confident. Don't try to impress, try to speak, but speak. You have to speak, you have to make the people understand. If they are not understanding, convince them, but politely. That's the key thing that you have to understand. Communication, everyone communicate, but they don't know how to communicate, what to communicate. English is something that is very superfluous. You can speak to any Tom, Dick, Harry, but you have to understand, yes, communication is a thought process where you are speaking, on which location you are speaking, and where you are standing. And see, location is, I am a loquacious person. I really love to chat, I really want to talk to people, but I really reflect, I really speak to those people, those are very much wise, I can learn from them. So what my thing is, what my statement is, not be very judgmental, but be very confident. Choose people wisely. So that wisely, if I'm using this term wisely, learn to choose only those whom you can get the earnings of mind. You can earn something from them. You can learn something from them. That is something very important.
That's something surrounding really matters a
Don't
lot.
surround with something, any Tom, Dick, Harry. You just surround yourself, or you be so special that people can love you. People can love you. People can chat with you. They can have more of knowledge. That is more important. We are having a discussion. I'm just having a discussion with my very intelligent Agrani Sharma, and I'm feeling very nervous talking to her because seriously, we are sharing our words.
Well, I still remember that day when I attended a class and I considered you as a role model, that there's so much thing
That is
to
something
learn.
sounding too great. I'm really so
There's
blessed.
so much thing to learn from you.
You are speaking on the podcast. People are listening to you.
Absolutely.
And really,
I'm telling all of my over heart, and something that's really, some teachers are they are so inspiration to students. They open their arms and welcome the students. You are one of them.
Oh,
and
thank
for
you so
me-
much. No, Agrani, that is something great for me because see, I really love my student, and really I do remember I have not very student, मतलब not so many कि मैं कहूँ बहुत हुजूम है मेरे पास बच्चों का, student का, those who really like me because I am very strict teacher when I am in the class. I really believe कि obedience, punctuality is something matters to me. And if certain thing happened, it distracts me. So I feel like the student should be very much creative, very much innovative, very much passionate, very much enthusiastic to listen what the teacher is trying to say. And that is something, a connectivity. So I feel like I have handful of students which I can count on my tips of my finger that yes, I really love them, I really like them, and I really owe them and adore them. Why? Because I'm saying owe them because see, they have given me that spirit ki yes, we like you, you are the likable teacher, and really I want to be like you. That is something star mark something for me.
Indeed, ma'am. Actually, yes, ma'am, we understood and we learned today that how much soft skills matters in everyone's life.
Exactly.
And we are running with the time, ma'am. So
Yeah,
let's
sure.
wrap up this session with rapid fire
that is
question.
something very strange coming now.
Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes, I'm a bit afraid and scared also, but still, we'll go on.
Okay. Voice
My audience was, before I'll just say, I'm so sorry if I just go wrong because this is something rapid fire and I'm very much scared of this rapid fire. Yes.
Okay. Voice or confidence, what matters more?
Confidence.
Radio or television, what's more important to you?
Obviously, radio because it's something, a magic voice.
If your voice had a color, what color would it
Oh,
be?
that is something golden. Right, timeless.
One Ajay habit you still carry in even in the class.
Obviously, my smile, I really love that. I really want to be vivacious with the people around, and that is
It's
smile.
beautiful, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much.
Confidence or clarity, which wins in an interview?
I would say clarity, but kyunki it reflects confidence. That is the both things.
One message to improve communication in GD.
Listen more, interrupt less.
One communication tip student always ignore but shouldn't.
Preparation. Okay. Student really needs preparation.
The most common mistake students make while communicating.
Oh God, that is something very necessary because they speak so fast without any thought. So they have to slow and steady. Think before you speak. That's more important. Yeah.
If your life were a podcast episode, what would its title be?
Just give me a second to think that. That is something on air, on purpose.
Great, ma'am. Ma'am, one message you want to convey to the viewers who are watching you right now?
To my dear students, I really want you to listen with all your heart, speak with all your heart. Your voice is something very important, and really be purposeful. You have to understand that something you have to build in yourself is your passion, your enthusiasm, your confidence, your clarity, and be considerate toward others and in a concise form. That's what I want to convey. And always be the best version of yourself. That's all. Be confident and be very much enthusiastic, or whatever it comes in your way, whatever you do. So with this, thank you so much, Agrani, for calling me and just trying to connect with my people. Especially, I really like you students. I really have the things that they will bring laurels to the Technocrats family, Technocrats group, and the best part, your guru, yani your teachers. Thank you so much once.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your valuable time and igniting the bright minds of the students and the viewers who are watching you right now. In the next upcoming sessions, Branding and Promotion Club will streamline you with industry experts, experienced faculty, and proud alumni. Thank you everyone for watching us.